So, welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And we're going to speak about a prolific striker. But guess what? Whoever comes knocking, then we will talk. Do you believe that the JFF will come knocking? And why no? Do you believe that the English FA will go knocking? Why not no? So Ivan Toney is hoping up about his future in regards to nationalities and who he would want to play for. But guess what? He opens up, but not really. He's literally throwing his intent out in all directions. So, is this an invitation to say that I am ready, but you should come for me? Will JFF play the big boys and say, nah, we don't need you? Yeah, they can play the big boys. They don't have legitimate reasons to play the big boys in regards to a striker with the likes of Kemar Roof, with the likes of Mikel Antonio, Shamar Nicholson in good form. Yeah, we can take that chance. And we also have goal-scoring wingers in the likes of Blair Turgott, also Leon Bailey. So, can we really play that big boy game, that big boy poker game? Let's see who have the poker face. But in all aspects, people, please remember, guys, smash the like button and also subscribe. So, Ivan Toney has officially come out and opens up about his future in regards to nationality. This interview was done on TalkSport, and there's a lot of quotes that he made in that. Now, he's saying that at this point in time, he's focusing on his club and also on himself. You can't blame him for saying that, because if he does not focus on himself, get himself in the right frame of mind and get his club at the right place, he would not cement himself in the Premier League and also get the best out of himself and his goal scoring attribute or potentials. Now, when he does that, we now can see, or we now can go in for a striker who is actually a more refined and a better player. Not only someone who's going to give us goal alone, but a more refined and better player. So you cannot beat him. You can't beat him for him to be saying that he's working on himself and his club. That is natural aspect. We've seen in recent times where even superstars switching nationality from Spain to France. You have so much players in recent times right now. I believe, what's that player's name again? Oof. I can't remember his name. The Polish players. He's going to be playing Maty Cash. I think, yes, it's Cash. Maty Cash. Who's going to be playing for Poland. So, a lot of these countries are going in for players who are dual nationals, and definitely they are trying to build a strong camaraderie with all of these teams right across the world once they are doing national. So there's no shame in us going for players that are dual nationals as well. There's nothing wrong with that. So let's get back straight into what Ivan Toney was saying. Now, the situation is that most people will be worried about commitment and all those aspects. And definitely, I believe that any player that would want to play for a particular club, the moment you join that club, you will be committed. It's quite the same. It's not all the players are like that though. You'll find players who would play half-heartedly and you won't get the best out of them. But definitely you'll find other players who are committed. The moment they put on that jersey, they are 100% committed. So it's difficult to put and class all the players in one bracket. It's quite difficult. But I do believe that if we are serious and we make that contact and he definitely declined us at this point in time, we should let people know that he had already declined us, and he was the one who put it out openly that someone should come calling. We went calling and he denied the answer. So definitely it would look bad, yes, but it would also send a message that yes, you don't want to come, fine. We have more than enough firepower in our team to get the job done. In the likes of Mikel Antonio and so on. But definitely people, Ivan Toney, he has definitely thrown the blanket in the air saying that, come for me, I am ready, whichever team it is, either Jamaica, England, and if St. Vincent want to throw in there, why not? Why not? He opens up the door for everyone. So why not? So people, let's see what's gonna happen and let's see what traction this might build. Definitely, I'm not sure that JFF will go out for this one because I believe that we're quite stacked in the striker department. But guess what? An addition of quality is never a bad thing. It's never a bad thing. So people, I won't go any further on this one. Guys, please remember, smash the like button and also subscribe if you're here for the first time. Do you guys believe that we should go calling for Ivan Toney? That's the thing. That's the latest in the market and latest in the news network right now. So let's see, guys. Tell me what you think. Put it in the comment section. Military Gunner TV people. Enjoy the day. For a really, really good day. Nice talking to you guys. And I am out.